In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log out of all devices on Spotify. So this is super handy, of course, because maybe you have noticed that someone else is also listening on your account. And yeah, you want to get rid of that person, of course. So what you want to do is go to spotify.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Click on profile and click on account again. And right here, you're on the account overview, and you want to scroll all the way down. And right here, it says sign out of everywhere, and this will sign out, all your on all your devices. So even your own phone and stuff like that, of course. So you just have to log back into your account yourself, and then I recommend changing your password, since someone else has your password as well, of course, because he's also logged into your account. And once you've done that, that's basically it, actually. So I hope this very quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.